I would absolutely recommend Kelvingrove House to other students. It's absolutely fantastic. It's a perfect location. The room sizes are great and the atmosphere is fantastic as well. There's several room types to choose from. In the studio you get your bed, which is a really good size, it's comfortable. You have a desk which is really large, there's plenty of space for all your things on it. It's light, it's got like an area to chill, you've got your chair and things. It's really good to have an ensuite because you don't have to share with other people in the morning. It's just so useful to have one.
然后浴室呢也很宽敞，也很干净。然后反正我感觉我的房间非常大，非常的舒适。
It's really good having my own kitchen. It has everything you need. It's got a hob, it's got your microwave which acts as an oven and a grill. You can cook for friends and stuff. It's also really good because it has a dining area. You can invite friends round and eat with them.
厨房非常宽敞，可以容纳大约7、8名同学一起吃饭吧。这也成了我们平时休闲娱乐的一个非常好的去处。
The Wi-Fi is great, it's fast, you can download things, you can stream movies, and having your bills included is just one less thing to worry about while you're at uni. The communal area is great, it has TVs, sofas just to chill and things.
而且接待室里呢有2个电视，就是在我们课余时间呢可以一起去看电视，然后还有一个台球，还可以在那里打台球，有一个台球桌。
Having the laundry is really great. You can just leave your washing in there, you can go watch some TV, chill in the communal area. It's easy and handy, you don't have to go anywhere else.
在楼下公寓的接待室呢，工作人员都很热情，每当你遇到问题呢，他们都会很耐心的解答，来帮你解决问题。
If you have any parcels delivered, reception will take it and you can just go there and collect it later on, which is really helpful. I feel really safe here because there's 24-hour CCTV across the building.
住在 Kelvingrove House 安全问题是不用担心任何安全问题，因为在公寓的门口呢就有24小时的 CCTV 监控。
Glasgow is an absolutely great city. There's lots of things to see and do. There's loads of bars, restaurants really close by.
格拉斯哥是一个很美丽的一座城市，就是可以吃到很多有中国特色的地方菜，例如四川菜呀，或者是麻辣烫啊，或者是大排档。然后市中心呢也有很多服装店，而且格拉斯哥的交通也非常方便，就从格拉斯哥大学附近坐地铁去市中心只需要10几分钟。
Kelvingrove House is just a short walking distance from Glasgow University, and it's also just a short bus ride away from Strathclyde and Caledonian.
我爱格拉斯哥这座城市，爱这里的一切，而且格拉斯哥的人呢也非常友好，非常的幽默。
Staff are really friendly. It's a perfect location. The rooms are a great size, and it's got a perfect atmosphere.